Hello everyone, I'm Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com, here with your Word of the Day video. In this video, let's talk about and use the noun lecture. Lecture. Lecture as a noun can be defined as a long speech about one topic that instructs. Let's practice using lecture as a noun in a few sentences. She's planning to give a series of lectures on modern art. He was invited to give a lecture on European history at our college. Professor Jackson's lectures are too long. I always fall asleep. Look for opportunities to use the noun lecture in your everyday English usage. I'm Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to get notifications of new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you next time.